In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from a virtual to a real account on eToro. If you've been practicing with the virtual portfolio and you're now ready to move into live trading, the good news is that the process is very quick. Just make sure you're paying close attention, because switching to a real account means you'll be viewing your live balance and any actual investments tied to your account. To get started, sign into your eToro account. You can do this from the website or the app depending on the device you're using. Once you're logged in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all account options are visible and updated properly. Next, open the account menu. To do that, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your account profile. This section usually contains your main account controls, including settings related to your portfolio mode. If you're on mobile, the layout may look slightly different, but the same option should still be available within your account area. After that, locate the portfolio switcher. This is the area that shows which account mode you're currently using, such as virtual or real. Take a second to confirm that you're currently in the virtual account before changing anything. This helps avoid confusion, especially if you switch between both modes regularly. Once you find it, click the option that says Switch to Real. This tells eToro that you want to leave the practice environment and move into your live account. Be aware that the virtual account is only for demo trading, while the real account reflects actual funds and real positions, so always double-check before continuing. Now, wait for eToro to complete the switch. In most cases, this only takes a few seconds. The platform will load your real portfolio, and you may notice the balance, open positions, watchlist behavior, or account details update as the page refreshes. If it seems to take longer than expected, just give it another moment and avoid clicking multiple times. Finally, verify that you are in the real account. The easiest way to do this is by checking that your live balance is displayed and that your real portfolio appears on screen. This confirmation is important because it lets you know you're no longer in demo mode. And that's it. You've successfully switched from a virtual account to a real account on eToro. Thanks for watching.